the one. Yes, baby. You little snake! You stole this! Well, don't use it. It's my favourite one. Why can't your favourite one be sneaky?
When a baby has their first poo, it's
probably all yellow, isn't it?
No, it's dark green, and it has like a texture like tar. Like it's thick and sticky. Like, I feel like this wasn't a good starting point to be on your YouTube channel.
Where do I start? One of my housemates got COVID. Yep. So I took that opportunity, since I am double vaxxed and I had a negative test, I'm being legal everyone, to escape and come up to London. I'm fortunate enough that my dad has a flat in London, which is where I am currently. I am up in London and I'm here for a week, and I'm going to see my sister who goes to uni here. And yes, I do wear this hoodie jumper thing all the time. Let's not talk about it, okay? To get back to the point, I'm here for a week and I just thought, why not vlog my online uni experience in London and basically what I get up to for a week, because I'm going to see my friend and I'm also going to see my sister. I'm going to see what's called The Woman in Black in the theatre. I wanted to see that for so long, you have no idea. I've taken a PCR test in Reading before I came, just in case. So I'm still waiting for the results of that. If it's positive, I will come back and this will be a whole different video. I guess we'll find out, so stay tuned, folks. Hello everyone. Guys, help me out. I'm so tired. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Yay! I'm very tired, so they're taking over.
So today we're going on a very exciting adventure.
We are. Where are we going, guys?
The Van Gogh Live thingy, I don't know what it is, but it's very exciting.
Yeah, I think it's like some screen on the walls or something, and then you watch it.
An immersive experience.
Yeah.
In the life of Van Gogh.
Yeah. We're on the way. So yesterday, Becky came over and then we went swimming with Natalie. We went swanning. So yeah, and then today we're going to the Van Gogh thing and then coming back. And if you look to the left, there's Chubbs' self-portrait. Is that from Nemo? Yeah. Why is it not focusing? Show your picture.
Wow. I'm really proud of it. It's
Show your picture.
wow.
Stop it.
Do you just press it?
Yeah, and then it'll appear on there. Where? Oh my god, it's there, Chubbs.
That one red flower is
Yeah.
so, like, annoying.
No, I like it.
Put it in.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
There it goes. This is so cool. We're going to give you an update of how we think the Vincent van Gogh experience was.
I think it was good, but it would have been better if you didn't have to pay for the virtual reality thing. It was a bit of a money-making machine.
Drink with me. 2 days gone by. Yeah. Yeah. I feel good. I knew that I would now. I feel good. Oh, this is better, isn't it?
That's cute.
So cool. But
I'm
bored. Anyways. Wow. Tomorrow, going to the Woman in Black. And then I think I might be going clubbing in the evening, but I'm not too sure.
Bye. Why you look like that?
You do shit. You can hit the camera.
Yo, yo, yo!
There you go.
I don't want to.
Hello everybody. I'm in my sister's room. We're going to the Woman in Black. Ooh. You stole my pink. You little snake. You stole this.
No, that is not both of us.
That is mine. I bought it with the perfume.
What?
Yes, I bought this with the perfume.
I've been using that in the bathroom for years.
Well, don't use it. It's my favourite one.
Why can't be a favourite one? Because you didn't even know.
Sneaky. Sneaky.
Oh, that's why you're acting up, because you're filming.
No.
Why did I just look at the camera like it's The Office?
Talk to the camera while I pee, please.
No, you need to hurry up.
No, I will, but I'm vlogging as well this week, so talk to them. No, talk to them. Talk to all my fans. Ew. What did you do? Talk to them. Oh.
Oh, not again. You have to lift it up and then push it down hard.
Hey! A fit check. Ooh. 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 Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Why do you do this? Why you like this? What are you? Natalie,
Yeah?
how was the show?
It was very good. I actually really enjoyed it. I thought the acting wasn't bad.
It was quite scary, wasn't it?
It wasn't, it could have been scarier, but there were some very scary moments.
Yeah, like the door when it
was
swung
on
open.
the edge of my seat.
The edge of your seat.
The edge of my
Oh, look at the London Eye. Look at the Natalie Eye. Oh, the lights. Oh, please God. Wow, the view, I actually can't. That's gross.
Aww,
no, it's a really good show.
Theatre over there.
The what?
National Theatre.
The
National Theatre.
Yeah, it was a really good show. Very much recommend. This guy came up to us on the way. He was like, hey, like, guys, you don't crease those trainers. And I was like, I won't. And then he tried to get me to, like, you know, walk like they do in the hood. And
Is
then,
what they said. She's
it's
not
what, no, I
being
went in the, like, speech marks. And then it was just really bad. He was trying to get me to walk like, hey, yo, like. I'm sorry about that. Guarantee I cringed as much as you just did. Anyways, enjoy. Now we're going for drinks to get drunk. Yay!
Pay for my drinks.
Yay! Anyways, in a bit. Okay, bye. Yo, yo, yo. We gone to the club. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, it's blurry.
I am
Tall. Hey.
Let's go, man.
Tequila shops are the one. Yes, baby.
I've had a Mackey's already today. Then we got another Mackey's on the way home. Just because, why the fuck not? So cheers to that. Can I have some water now? There it is. And he was dressed as a sexy policeman. It was awful.
That is so funny. Oh my
It
god.
was so bad. Hi guys.
She said she was wrong. Oh,
I'm really low energy right now.
We need pollo pesto.
I need food.
Pizza.
Pollo pesto.
I'm also feeling like, you know, the starters, like
Calamari, you know.
PG content.
Sorry.
Beyonce with her little vibrator.
No, I support that. I support that.
Wait, she did like a vibrator review.
Yeah, no, did you not see?
It
was no, but then all the mums were like, "This is inappropriate."
And the GCSE board was like, "We're putting our question that has Zoella in it because of it's like, bitch, just literally
Yeah.
females trying to get pleasure, men are like,
No, and literally, and like all the mums were like, "This, our daughters watch this."
I saw the pregnancy video, but I haven't like
Followed it, no.
It's been interesting. Put a post about what baby poop smells like, and I was like, okay.
Baby poop does smell kind of funky, I can't lie. Well, when a baby has their first poo, it's called like mecanium, or like it has a special name.
It's probably all yellow, isn't it?
No, it's dark green, and it has like a texture like tar, like it's thick and sticky. Like, am I putting you off,
And
kids?
you still want kids?
I don't look this up
Enjoy
for,
that
for
follow
my own
pasta this
enjoyment.
evening.
Oh, Emily.
I do childcare. Yeah, I actually just research baby shit. No, it's fucking no. Trust me, babies and like if they when they breastfeed, they have weird poos and they have little black nuggets in their poo, and like it's some kind of like I don't know. It's weird. Like
Why did I hear nuggets? I was like, like nugget, like chicken nuggets.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, no, I know, but like when I'm talking about baby shit, no, trust me, babies are fucking gross.
Put a comment about how weird Emily is. If you've made it this far, describe how you think baby shit would smell.
What would your baby's shit look like?
Oh my God.
Anyways, we're gonna go for drinks in Canary Wharf.
After the weirdest conversation ever.
I feel like this wasn't a good starting point to be on your YouTube channel.
What are you on about?
Spreading the word on baby
dog,
shit.
Like, looks up Emily's name and then it's just like baby shit.
Shit.
This is it. What was your baby?
She's just zooming in her own face.
What the people want. Aaron Ruddy Cheney. Airline. I'm in Brawling. Heights, it's fine.
I need some food.
Yeah, me too. I'm hungry.
Let's go. In a bit.
Oh, hello everybody. I'm going to whisper because my dad's in bed and he's come up to the flat. Basically, over the last few days, I've just got like none of my work done. I just look my absolute best. I'm gonna end this vlog here, and thanks so much for watching. Give it a like. Let me try that again. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let's go a messy one, a little bit of a messy vlog. But yeah, it's basically just some of the stuff I got up to in this past week. Yeah, like this video, subscribe, click the notification button to be notified when I put up a new video. So yeah, okay, bye guys.